Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now in today's video I'm actually fixing my Hpi Baja and I did not even realize it was broken. I just put out a video, I guess it would be, well it depends on when I put this video out, but probably about a week ago once you guys see this video. But I didn't realize till I posted that last video with the Baja that the hinge pin, I was looking at this and I noticed that this was all out of whack. I'm like, why is that not sitting flat? I realized that it actually broke underneath of here. So it's actually the bulkhead. The hinge pin pulled out from the bulkhead. I did notice, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but I did already notice that there's a slight bend right here in this. So I noticed that. And so I must have come down hard at some point. I think I can kind of bend that back though. Ooh. Oh, we're good. That just popped off. But yeah, I hopefully can straighten that out. And yeah, I need to go replace that front bulkhead. All right, guys. So this is still kind of bent, but I got it where it's fairly straight. The wheels look like they're pretty well pointed straight ahead. Alright guys, I am back. That took longer than I thought actually. It's been a while since I've had to take apart the whole front part of a Baja. So I was not expecting it to take as long as it did. It probably took me an hour. Probably shouldn't have taken me that long, but then I was also digging around looking for pieces. But yeah, I had a whole nother, here I even have another one. Here's a whole nother front bulkhead. But let's see, where did I put the bulkhead that broke? Here's the bulkhead that broke, and you can see what happened. So basically the hinge pin was raised up because this whole part was split, and it's split all the way. So it's split all the way. It's just holding on by like a thread right here. That's the only reason why that pin did not come out, was because it was still holding. So it's cracked all the way up to the edge right there. It's missing the whole part right there, so I didn't notice that after my last run. So it damaged it pretty badly. But that wasn't the issue. I had a whole nother bulkhead, and I put that one in, and I even have another one. But the issue was this piece. With my bulkhead kit, it did not have this. This actually got cracked as well. So if you look right here, this is where the upper hinge pin goes on this same side. So basically that would be something like up here. So you can see that the rear hinge pin, the front hinge pin on the left side broke, and then it also broke this piece right along here. So I had to replace that because the nut goes on the back side of here, and the nut was spinning. And I'm like, why is the nut spinning? I realized, oh, it's cracked. So this was the piece I had to dig around for, and luckily I found one. Basically, guys, that's what broke, and it took a while to get it back together. You do have to use these little C-clips, which I'm not the biggest fan of. I actually installed some new ones. I had these snappy RC Superior clips. I guess they're called E-clips, not C-clips. So, put those on. Those are a little bit annoying to deal with. That is the front bulkhead. I've realized that is probably the most annoying part to work on this RC. If you actually have to replace the entire bulkhead. So, the good thing is, got it done. And this thing's ready to rip again. So, if you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Later.